everybody, welcome back to Matthew's Corner, and today, I just wanted to say happy 4th of July. Yeah, happy 4th of July. First thing I was about to say happy New Year's, and today I'm going to show you some of my fireworks. Here's the first one. Alright. Let's see. Oh wow, okay. Yo, look at that. Bro, I bet there's like one that's so... I bet that there's one that's so loud that you guys can hear it. I don't know if you guys can hear it or not.
That's it? That was lame.
Bro just said that was lame.
Again.
That was pretty good.
It's probably better than looking at the fireworks.
That was actually pretty good. Wait, that's it? Oh, we got more.
Always you see them.
We got more?
No, you can't get those. Not in New Jersey. They're not allowed.
Is that more?
Yes, that's what Pennsylvania.
Look, lava dome.
Oh, this has to be cool.
Oh, this is a good one.
Alright. This
better be a good one.
You can go stand there. I can record if you want.
Matthew, just go stand in the corner.
There you go.
this better be a good one.
Hopefully. If it's a good one, I'll be so happy.
Bro.
Oh my god, I hit these matches.
Did it just start playing I feel good? Bro.
What's going on in matches?
Bro's like, I'm dead.
Oh.
Try the other way.
Oh
Just try the other way.
no! Put it on the fuse. Oh, okay. That was pretty unexpected.
I think it's gonna pop. I think it's gonna pop.
Yeah, it's definitely gonna explode like a bomb.
It will.
Okay. Whoa. Okay. Wait, what? Oh.
Where are the pops?
It's still going.
Where are the pops?
It's still going. Oh! There they are! Oh my god!
Yay! That was so good.
Bro, that took longer than I expected, but we still have some of those fireworks left.
What's another door?
Like this. Like that was so loud, guys. Bro. Bro, I'm getting the dude.
Go!
Oh my god.
This is all garbage. No, this is all garbage.
Put that on your chest!
I believe that.
When I hear fireworks, I hear.
What is little things?
Oh, look, it's firefly.
Let them one like them.
I didn't see it.
Oh, baby. Look at man.
What is that? What is that?
Yeah, he cut the grass too. He cut the
4th of July, guys. For those who live in America, happy America's birthday. Happy birthday, America.
This, oh!
Bro didn't know that it was America's birthday.
Yes, I did. Do I still wear this?
Yes.
No, I like
That's
Those are cans.
What?
I feel good. Do. All right.
What if we put it up there?
Run. No.
Run! Run with your big gut.
Hey. Oh wow.
Oh, what is that?
Oh. Oh wow.
The paper caught on
That's
fire.
pink fire?
Okay, now it's all reacting. Oh, it's on fire. It's on fire.
Bro, the box is on fire.
It's burning the plate.
Bro, it's red.
What are you doing?
Leave the hose.
No, I like the next one right there. Put it on.
Yo.
Like a fool.
Go bring another plate, mommy.
Oh my god.
Go bring another
Mom, why you do that?
Fire.
Yo, bro actually used a hose. They just use this hose right here. This hose. They use this hose. Nice. Okay, I love that they use a hose.
These are all little ones. These are garbage.
Finally.
Well, they're also known, aka bowels.
Hey, man, you put in the thing on.
Right now.
Yo,
That's nice.
that's kind of rainbow.
Kind of rainbow.
Yeah, a bit. Oh no, it's green.
Also, it's bumpy lane. Okay, but.
Bruh.
Can I choose the next one?
I want those fireworks that like boom, boom, boom. Let that go up to the sky and then boom, explode up in the sky.
No, no. I need that. No.
Alright. Bro, this is so.
They're garbage. They're all, it's done. I'm gonna be good then. Go pick it up.
They all are done, guys. They're done. They're just done. They all are done. They're done. That's it. Oh, one more? Wait, how much more? How much?
Or maybe two. I don't know.
Alright. Well, this still.
Stop saying alright.
So, there's more fireworks. Alright, I'm ready. I'm ready. Wait, does it have? Okay, okay. Run, dun, 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 dun. Okay, okay, okay. Oh my god, okay. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, stop overreacting. Okay.
Remember? If I find that.
That's it? Well, it was cool.
Look,
Hold on, let's go.
these are individual ones.
There's still more?
See what one to play.
Put them together.
Bro, that was
1
actually
o'clock,
crazy.
If you want.
Let's start again. Yay! I'm excited. I'm totally so excited. I'm actually excited right
This one
now.
I'm gonna do. I'm gonna throw the Crocs.
Sorry guys, like,
Then they're gonna melt, and then you're gonna buy me yellow Crocs.
You gotta be able to find. I nothing.
so sorry guys, like, so in the last clip, I accidentally clicked, the red button, like from the record button. I accidentally took it off, so I may not say a full word.
Buzz, look.
That's it. Rest it.
Yo. Bruh. Okay.
Why are you being so lame?
Do we just like you just like shut up here? Nah.
No, it's all garbage right now.
It's okay. You still got light
Dude.
up.
What's the thing for mine?
The hose just went away. Don't worry.
Go, go.
He was crazy.
Dun, 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 dun. I'm actually so ready for this.
You gotta be careful.
Light one of these and see what it looks like.
Oh, one of those.
Let me see.
That is small.
Yeah, man, you might look. You like them.
Hold on. See, wire them together. String together.
That's your house.
Oh, 2 at a time. Oh wait, never mind. No. Oh, never mind. No, 2 at a time.
Plug in the light down.
I wish it would be 2 at a
See where the
time.
light go and just turn it on. Not the one, yeah. These ones at the top here.
You string them together? That's good.
Wow. Wow.
See? See? See?
One.
Oh,
Let's
I
go.
accidentally stepped on the bird.
Give it back. Give it back. Thank you. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Mom.
Dang it, this.
Oh. Bet.
Hope this one is.
Whoa.
Whoa!
Yeah, that's
This is changing. This looks cool. Come on. Come on. Get stronger. Strong.
How
Strong.
many you got it?
Strong.
yeah, because it's thick.
Bruh.
It's thick. Wait.
Bruh.
Get to the spoon. Get to the spoon.
Did bro really just go to the smoke? Not a single brain cell inside.
Yeah, I put these two together.
That's it, right?
Oh
The
wait,
last two?
They got one more.
There's like 4.
so we got 3 or 4? 3 or 4, I think. Ouch. Okay, next firework. 3 fireworks. Wait, that's it? Come on.
Let that
Right? Wait, it is? Alright. Come on. Whoa.
The paper's on fire.
Huh?
The paper. Bruh, they're just going on. They just went on fire.
There's more?
One more.
One more.
One more?
One more? Bruh. Guys,
Help me! I'm upside down.
yeah, give it back. Give it back. I'm gonna. Mom. Hey, Mom. Can I get my bird back? Mom. Hey, Mom. Mom. Can I get my bird back? Mommy. Hey, by the way, guys. So, before we do the next firework, I want you to do me a little favor. Can you like and subscribe, please? Please. Thank you. The last firework we got.
Don't worry, Biggs. I got today.
Oh no.
No, I want to do it, Dad. I want to do it.
We got with that. No.
Bro just stepped on fire. That's it? That's all the fireworks?
L-A-M-E. Wait.
For real. Now why don't we watch other people fire?
Well, let's spray.
That's it. I'm bored. I'm leaving.
Let's not bring in the fire thing. Bring on me.
Woody?
Don't try to make Gary
Woody?
want it done. The Gary catch fire.
Well, guys, that's the end of the
Bob,
video.
go check it.
I hope you
Bob,
like this
go check
video. And remember, subscribe. Alright guys. Bye guys. See you in the next video.